everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you so much for joining me today for day 10 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I am so glad you're here. So first of all, I just want to mention, I did make a mistake. I think I mentioned in some of the comments that the binder that we got, did I write it down? Day 7. The binder, you could get the sleeves, refill sleeves. It doesn't look like they're the right size, so I just wanted to mention that. Also, I'm going to talk about Chuck the Duck. I know there's been some that say that's on the packaging and stuff like that. I'm going to talk about that too when we get to that part. But first, let's open day 10 and see what we got. I'm so excited about this. Let me get it out. This is what I'm seeing. It's a quilt block of some sort. It is like so stuck in there. Hang on. I cannot get this out. I don't want to wreck the box. I don't want to break the item. Oh my goodness. All right, I know what it is because the card came out. A quilty charcuterie board. I'm not saying that right. You know what I mean. Charcuterie board. Charcuterie board. There we go. I cannot get this out of the box. Oh, I got it. I got it. All right. I didn't want to break it. Oh wow. Okay. It's a quilt block. Has the Missouri Star in it. I think it's wood. It looks like wood. It has their logo or stuff on the back. There are some imperfections, but I mean, it's wood, so that would happen, right? Oh, it has a hanger on the back. Well, this is really pretty. I can see this with some cheeses and stuff like that on it. See what the card says. And you can hang it in your room too, like hang it on the wall. That's very, very pretty. And what I love about it is it's not screaming Missouri Star Quilt Company, but it's still their quilt block here. So it's nice because it's branded, but it's not branded in your face branded. I like that. Oh, it has different ideas on what to put on it. My concern, hopefully it's washable. I think you can use mineral oil though to seal things. Very pretty. Let's first talk about the ducks. So I know people keep saying that they had a duck on their number 6 bag on top of the duck that was the QR code. So here's mine. I do not. So my thought is that there might be different bags because a lot of people are saying that there's ones on this and not on that, and there are on this and not on that. So it's becoming a bigger thing than it should be. And I did write down somewhere what days on my boxes I have extra ducks. So there's the one duck that's on the QR code that's on every box except for the one box that had the mug in it. I only had one duck on that, and that wasn't a QR code. It's becoming a very big thing. So I'm thinking about just getting rid of even the count for the packaging, just because I think everybody's is different. I think we can all agree it's around, I don't know, 30-ish, 32-ish, and call it a day. I'm going to go by what's on my packaging. You may need to adjust your duck count. That's what it comes down to. So for me, and I wrote this down, on all the packaging, and I went through it all, I have 31 ducks. And then on the items, I have 3 ducks. Okay, so that brings my personal duck total to 34. And again, when I started this, I thought it was just going to be a fun thing, and it's becoming a bigger deal than it needs to be. It's just a silly thing. All right, so that's it on the duck count. That's what I'm staying with. I think the bags might be different. Maybe they were just die cut from the same pieces of paper, and depending on the paper and what section you got a duck is what I think, because they are all different. All right, so the value from yesterday we got the bias tape tool making tool, which is really great. So many people loved it, thought this was the best gift in the box. I agree, I think it's a really useful gift. It's something we all need and don't all have. So I know a lot of people said they were meaning to buy it. I love that, love that, love that. So I am so excited about that. Now for pricing, I found them online, not through Missouri Star, but through other companies, but they had bigger sizes and smaller sizes. They had different sets, and they ranged from anywhere from $10 to $30. So I'm going with 15 for this because we only get 4, and I say only loosely because 4 is nice. It's a good amount, and it is a nice set with the case and everything else. So there's that. I know some people have been questioning some of the other prices, and maybe I'll do a adjustment at some point, but right now I'm saying 15, and maybe that'll make up for some of the other stuff that I underpriced or overpriced too. That brings our grand total to $162.50 if you paid $199.95 like I did for this box, and it gives us a balance of $37.45 to go, which, look at that, we're almost there. We're almost to our amount. I have no clue what to price this at. We'll see. I'll have to do some research on this. All right, so let's go on to guessing tomorrow's item. So this is your warning, 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 warning. I'm picking it up, picking up. It's a small one. Good things come in small packages, right? There it is. It's very light, like super light. It's a little squishy. I wonder if it's stickers. It almost feels like stickers. You know, those cute ones that we put on our machines and stuff. Could be maybe an embroidery kit, a small embroidery kit. It's hard up here. I don't know. We're gonna have to see tomorrow what this is. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I hope you're surviving the holiday season because I'm losing my mind a little bit. I don't know about you. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 11 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. Bye.